perfect video for you if you doesn't know how you can use NotebookLM for organizing your studies. Here I am gonna teach you what it can do and step by step how can you improve your learning workflow with the help of NotebookLM. Firstly, go to the website notebooklm.google.com. Then you see that section here. Welcome to NotebookLM. Click on Create Notebook. Now, how NotebookLM is different from ChatGPT or Gemini is eh, we provide the sources and only based on the sources it can create notes, it can create slides, infographics, flashcards for us, right? So either we can provide sources through files or websites or either content from our drive. Like here, if we click on website, we can paste any GFG article link or any YouTube video link here and then click on insert. Here what I gonna do is I gonna write JavaScript interview question and it researches all the website for us. By writing here it is fast research option and deep research option. Right? I click here. Now you see it is researching websites. Here are some of the website it researched, right? You can see whatever the sources it researched, right? I click on import. I just gonna click. You can visit this website or and let's say if you want the content to be created from only one specific source. Here is select all option and check that option. Let's say there is a YouTube video JavaScript coding interview question. Check this now. It gonna create all the content from that specific source code selected only. It doesn't gonna research the internet. Only read the source. Read the source that provided and create content based on it. Like I click on quiz option. Here it is. Here you can customize number of questions you want. Let's say I write quiz must can have 10 questions, 5 questions, and it should be based on only data types. Of JavaScript. You can set the level of difficulty, number of questions you want. Here it gonna generate only 5 questions as I implicitly provided that instruction. Now click on generate. Here we can also specify on which subtopic we want to create that quiz. And in my case, I written data types. Like if you are preparing, it is generating. It may take a while, especially video overviews. It gonna take around 10 to 15 minutes for getting generated. Here after the quiz is done, it provide the quiz is completed. Here after the quiz is completed, it provided the summary that how many questions you done right, how many questions you done wrong, how much percentage you scored, and below topics covered, what are the topics it covered. And it also tells recommendations out there. What it also tells recommendations. What are the next topic upon which you can create? You should create quiz, right? So here, that is a part. You can create infographics as well. Inside infographics, you can choose any visual style. I recommend that level of detail should be kept on standard here, because there might be some errors in detailed infographics, right? Let's say I clicked on instructional here, right? That is a visual, and you can describe the infographic on which you want. Closures in JavaScript, let's say this. I click on generate. Now it is generating infographic. You can generate an audio overview of 4 types: debate, critic, brief, deep dive. Length can be default or long. Here in audio overview below, it provides suggestion on which topic you can create that audio overview. Let's say I clicked on mind map here. It is generating. It's gonna take a bit of time. And gonna take time to be generated. Mind map generated. Here you can see JavaScript, Node.js concept, memory management, asynchronous architecture, language fundamentals. If you click on language fundamentals, variables and scope, so in that way it creates a structured learning path for so that you can study effectively. Inside variables and scope, what you can study. It created infographic. Here you can see a beautiful infographic it created. So for understanding and your learning purposes, it is very useful. Let's say I only check that resource Carbon, what's a JavaScript data structure. Now if I click on that flashcard icon, it is saying based on one source. Only based on that GFG source it is generating that flashcard. Only based on the source data selected it is generating flashcards out there. So for studying it is very helpful. You can customize its banner as well, notebook title. You can set custom notebook summary as well. Like if I write JavaScript, Okay, and I click on done. Then it gonna change to JavaScript, right? Now it generated flashcards. What flashcards does is basically there is a question provided here, and after you click on that answer, you can provide answer is provided. You can click next icon. How are string defined in terms of string data structure? Here you can see it is very helpful for practice. Let's say you are preparing for any government government exam like banking. You can generate a quiz, and you can generate the quiz of it. There is an option of video overview as well, explainer and brief. There are two types. Explainer is there are different visual styles through which you can create video overview: anime, kawaii, whiteboard, watercolor, retro print. It is providing a suggestion. I click tab. Let's say what video it generate based on this. Video overview gonna take a while, so I come back after it get generated. It took more than 20 minutes for generated that video, so there is a limit as well as how many videos you can generate.
Welcome to the explainer. So you're looking
Here
at
you can
JavaScript data
see
structures.
this video
Let's be
generated.
real. Hearing data structures for the first time, it sounds kind of terrifying, right? Like some impossible math mountain meant only for computer science grads. But hey, I am your mentor today, and I'm telling you right now, it absolutely does not have to be that way. We're going to use it every single day of your life. Literally. You just 6 numbers and strings. Let's start right at the absolute bedrock. Before we can organize complex data, we gotta know what that data actually is. On the left, we have number.
It gonna generate video mostly in the range of 4 minutes to 10 minutes. And if you don't able to understand some data type, some specific problem, or some specific question, then that video overview might be very helpful. So yes, these are very, so yes, NotebookLM is very helpful if you are studying currently either in college. If you find this video helpful, like the video, drop a comment, share it, and make sure to subscribe the channel for more AI related videos.